My name is Asel and I'm a current trainee at Clueo Clinical CRA Industry Bridging Program. And today I would like to share with you my story of transition from academia to industry. Originally, I'm from Kazakhstan, and after completing my medical science degree and PhD in Russia, I moved to USA, where I worked as a postdoc at Vanderbilt University and then at Yale. In 2014, our family moved to Australia and I became a research officer at Children's Cancer Institute in Sydney. After having my baby, our family decided to reside in Perth and I ended my academic job in Sydney. Well, approximately a year ago, I started to think about getting back to the workplace, and after many considerations, I decided to pursue an industry career in clinical trials. I never had direct experience working in clinical research or clinical trials, and I began job and application process and faced actually the reality for prospective employers. Actually, they seek for candidates who already have like 1 to 2 years experience in clinical trials, even for entry-level roles. In best scenario, I was getting calls from recruiters, and all of them, they actually asked me pretty much same question. Do you have any experience in clinical trials? Or did you work with any clinical trial related documentation? So my applications, they didn't go beyond those phone conversations. Two reasonable options: volunteering to work in clinical trials or study. The first option dropped straight away because it's heavily regulated area, so it's nearly impossible to get in there. And the second option I left with was study. I checked our local universities, and for example, University of Western Australia was offering master's program in clinical research, which would take at least 2 years to complete. Plus, it was very costly because the whole course was about 20 plus thousand. And fortunately, in December last year, 2021, I heard about the unique CRA industry bridging program offered through Clueo Clinical. I enrolled and started the CRA bridging program at January 10th this year. In case you didn't know, CRA or Clinical Research Associate is a healthcare professional who acts on behalf of drug developers and who monitors clinical trials and who ensures patient safety throughout the clinical trial. Well, through this program, I have learned, and I'm still learning about clinical trial organization, CRA roles, how to perform trial-related activities, and of course, how to ensure the trial participant safety. The course is actually quite flexible, delivered online, and you can do it anytime and anywhere. So on top of it, we have live tutorial sessions and we are coached by industry instructors to acquire industry relevant skills. And they challenge us a lot. They ensure that we, trainees, we have full understanding of what to do when we perform visit at trial sites. Moreover, through this program, I got the access to the unique direct-to-industry pathway at Clueo Clinical. Well, what does it mean? So Clueo Clinical has multiple partnerships with various industry organizations like CROs, pharma, biotech, hospitals, and clinics. And because of this partnership and the comprehensive industry bridging program, Clueo Clinical effectively establish bridge between us and prospective employers. One very good day, Sue called me and simply started with, Asel, we have a partner in WA who potentially is keen to hire CRA ethics or /ethics coordinator. What do you think? It wasn't not something I would expect to hear after just a couple of months since starting the industry bridging program. I said, okay, thank you for letting me know, Sue. Yes, I would like to try. But at this stage, I was quite hesitant to secure this position because I was actually still in the training and I'm still in the training. And Sue just said, Asel, please trust me and Clueo Clinical. We will guide you through every step at this process. And you are not alone in this. Well, we spent hours at phone conversation and Teams meetings. She meticulously explained to me everything from interview preparation to salary negotiation. And soon after, I landed my first job as a CRA and ethics coordinator, which actually salary much higher than I expected. And I'm very happy about this. I'm very thankful to the whole Clueo Clinical team because they helped me within very short time. And it just brought simply amazing changes to my career and my life. And it's not easy. It will require a lot of effort from you, but what is also important, you need to get the right support around you and for you to achieve your goals.